Hey guys, welcome to Airplanes Trip Reports. Today we are flying from Bozeman, Montana to Dallas, Fort Worth on board American Airlines Kodiak 737 and main cabin extra. American Airlines opted to not have personal TVs on their 737s and A321s. Instead, they chose to have a device holder. Today's flight was special because it was the first aborted landing that I remember having. One thing before the flight that I've never seen is the ground crew climbing up on a ladder and sweeping the snow off the leading edges with a broom. Let me know in the comments if you've seen that. Today we are flying on board November 943 November, a 737-800 built in 2003, and it has spent its whole life with American Airlines. Let's get into the seat tour. At the top, there's a literature pocket. Then below that's a personal device holder. There's a large sturdy tray table. There's a small seat back pocket. The legroom is great. The seat reclines a good amount. There's an adjustable headrest. The seat isn't very padded, but it was comfortable enough for this flight. Let's push back and get going. The plane in the middle of the Dassault Falcon and the NetJets Citation Latitude is November 53 November Whiskey. It is the same plane that took me to Aspen last December with a stop in Moline, Illinois. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end of this video. When we boarded the plane, they gave us a snack bag. It had a snack mix, which I've never seen before. They gave us a sanitizing wipe and water. The lavatory contains the standard amenities. People say it's cramped, but I don't find it to be as bad as the JetBlue ones on their new A320. Let's take a look at the entertainment selection on board. The Wi-Fi was expensive and I didn't buy it. American has a great movie selection that contains lots of movies and TV shows. There are also a few live TV shows and news websites. This is our plane on Flight Radar 24. Let's get into our approach. Overall, this is a really great flight, and the Kodiak interior isn't as bad as people say it is. American is soon going to start giving out their normal service from before COVID. Thanks for watching. See you soon.